Hello guys, today I'm showing you how I'm doing the haircut. Have a look. I'm doing the haircut because you can like anything at my channels. So, what do you think about it? No class. Today is not class and this is the another day, so we are not doing these classes. No. I did my classes. It was so much fun. We learned about Play-Doh. Today we got classes. Hello. Let's show you who my dad is looking like. He's looking a little funny with me. Is he looking a little funny with me? And I'm going to show you my cat house. Here he is, Papa.
Hi guys, I'm Jiya's father.
I don't know. We're going to make a surprise. He's looking with the glasses, so I don't know with the glasses. So let me show you the kitty house. It's a little dark over the other side. I need to run. And on the lights. And let me show you the kitty house. Here she is, kitty. Kuchu. And it's adorable. Let me move, please. Run back to the room. Run back. Let's she can wake up. And so cosmic kids. Whew. It is so hot. So guys, we are the cosmic kids. This is a long journey, right? See the footprints. Guys, so what we're going to do is stop the video and I'll show you big surprises.